Hey guys, it's your girl Shelby from Shelby Fine Cuisine. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my two favorite desserts, okay? It's going to be barbecue chicken wings and also clam chowder soup, okay? And let me show you guys what I have for you today. It's going to be so easy, guys, okay? I have my chicken wings already cleaned up, well marinated, and also I have my clams, okay? Already marinated also. And I have my bacon and garlic, okay, celeries, and here I have my potatoes, okay. I have my flour, and also the best, I have my oyster crackers, okay. Now let's start cooking. What I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to start with my I'm going to start boil my clams, okay. Let me add some garlic, yep. And after that, guys, I'm going to leave the water, the sauce, the broth from the clams for my soup, okay. Okay, let me this, okay. I'm going to add it in the pot, okay. Give it a stir, okay. Add a little water, okay. And I'm going to add some bouillon, guys, okay. In a minute, guys, I'm going to show you guys my heavy cream, okay. Now what I'm going to do, let me add a little bit more water. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cover it up, and then when we come back, we'll start with the chicken wings, okay. Come back. Okay, guys, now let's check on our clams. You see it's boiling. Okay, let me give it a stir. Okay, everything's perfect in it, guys. Okay, as you can see, I already started with my chicken. Okay, now let's finish it up. And then after that, I'm going to put it in the oven. Okay, all right, guys, I'm going to finish that up, and then when we'll come back, we'll start with our soup, okay. Come back. Okay, guys, now it's time to start with our soup. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to cook my bacon first. Okay, I'm not going to let it cook so crispy, guys, okay. If you want, you can just go ahead and then go for the crispy one, but that's how I like my bacon when I'm making my soup, okay. And by the way, the clams are almost ready, okay. Okay, 5 more minutes and then they're done, ready for my soup, okay. Okay, guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add my celery, okay, and my potatoes, okay. Okay, let me grab my black pepper. Okay, I'm going to add some onion powder. Okay, since I'm not going to use any onions at all, I'm going to add some parsley. Okay, black pepper. Okay, give it a stir. Okay, now I'm adding my flour. Not too much. Okay. Okay guys, I'm going to keep stirring that up, and then when we come back we'll add our milk. Okay, come back. Okay guys, now it's time for our clams. Okay, I'm going to add them now. Okay, I'm adding my heavy cream. Okay, half and half. Okay. Okay, now guys, I'm going to add my clams broth. Okay, you see that? Okay. Now I'm going to add a little bit of bouillon, not too much because everything already have what they needed. Okay, not too much. Okay guys, that's it. I'm going to let it cook, and then my chicken already in the oven. When we come back, we'll check on everything. Okay, come back. Okay guys, everything's ready. Okay, now it's time for my chicken. I'm going to start with the barbecue on it. Okay, and also I have to show you guys what's going on with my soup. Okay, look at that guys, very very creamy. You see that? And tasty. Okay, it's ready. Now what I'm going to do now, let's finish up with our chicken. I'm going to, this is the barbecue sauce I'm using guys. Okay, now let me start with my sauce. Okay, after that I'm going to put them back in the oven for 5 minutes. Okay, when we come back we'll finish up everything. Okay, come back. Okay guys, now let me show you guys what I have. Okay, everything already done. Okay, okay, the soup and everything, the chicken. Okay, you see that? Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add my crackers. Okay, not too much. And some fresh parsley. Okay, that's it guys. Let me take this one there. Okay guys, that's it. Alright, I just wanted to share that with you guys. Okay, my favorite dessert. Okay, I mean appetizer. Okay, so if you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for being with me. Have a wonderful day. Okay, give it a try. Bye.